Hey guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, here I'm going to show you how to create another profile option not showing on Facebook. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So in this case, how do we fix this problem? Well, the first thing you want to do here is you want to guarantee that you're using the latest version of Facebook. In this case, go ahead and open up Google Play Store here and you want to search for Facebook. So let's go ahead and search for Facebook here. And if you see any update button, go ahead and click on it and update the app itself. Now in this case, once the update is complete, you can go ahead and open up Facebook here and see if that solves your issue. Now if that doesn't solve the issue, there's still a few things that you can do here to probably solve this issue. So in this case, look for Facebook here, press and hold on it, and want to go to app info. Now under app info, you want to go to app permissions. Let's go and click on it. And from here, you should be able to see a few things like the allow permissions. Now it is suggested that you allow all the permissions that you see in here, especially for the section for your phone. So in this case, go ahead and allow them. But in this case, once you've done that, the next thing you want to do is you want to click on clear data at the bottom right of your screen. Now from here, click on clear cache and click on OK. Now once you've done that, go ahead and restart your phone and open up Facebook again. And from then on, see if that solves the issue. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.